Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Dax Paul, and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel and watch all these videos. And only if you like these videos, then go hit that subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. And for the ones who want additional services, you can WhatsApp us to 7892652481 to know what are the additional services provided by the Smart Trader team. And for the ones who wants to open a Zerodha account, you can WhatsApp me, or you can click the link provided in the about section, and you can just fill your details and Zerodha will contact you and create an account for you. So for the ones doing that, we'll be getting additional 1 month free paid calls, and apart from the 30% discount on our training courses. So by saying those, now let's start off with today's topic. Today's topic is going to be a cover order. So how to place a cover order and how do I get 20 times margin in cover order. So this was a question from long time, and most of them asked me, sir, how to place a cover order. And I know it's simple for me because I do every day, but there are many beginners who do not know that. So understanding those things, I thought I'll explain. And for the ones who have multiply asked on all the live trading sessions, how do you get 20 times, how do you get 20 times, this is the answer in this video. So before that, you guys knew I had a laptop issue. So good news, I have taken Apple MacBook Pro i7. This was suggested by our subscribers. I asked what is the best laptop because I am bad at technology. So I asked what is the best laptop for all this editing and quick editing and fast editing. So they said go with Apple with the latest i7 processor. So I have taken this and it's totally a little different, a little bit difficult to use. I'll get used to it in a week. So editing also will take some time because it's the first time I'm doing a video on this. So the audio clarity is really good, and there's a good noise cancellation, and the video clarity also is good. So hope we make a daily videos due to this. So cover order, and how do we place a cover order? I'm not going to touch DLF right now. I have entered into a trade of DLF. I will tell about that later. Let's for example take a stock like Hindalco, or let's take Vedanta. When you go for a cover order, this is the regular order you go give: the market, limit price, stop loss. This is the order you normally give. But for example, you're going to cover order. Okay, so in cover order, you understand that in Zerodha, when you trade in cover order, how do I open this calculator? Okay, it's here. Okay, so in cover order, for example, your capital is 10,000. Every time you can calculate always into 20 times. They give around 20 times of margin in cover order. Okay, it will be 23, 24, 25 times. It can be 16, 18, 17 times. But any stock till now what I have traded, if you have seen, I choose from the Nifty 50 or else from FNO Securities. I get minimum 20 times in those. Okay, so how do we place a cover order, and exactly what is a cover order? In cover order, there is one rule: you need to always keep a stop loss. That is the trigger price over here. In this order, trigger price is your stop loss, and they will decide the range. Okay, the range of stop loss. So this is the range of stop loss, and you need to keep the stop loss between this only. Okay, so for example, you're putting 100 stocks. 100 stocks you're buying, but in this case now I'll buy only one stock to show a demo for you guys. So trigger price, I think the internet is gone, but still I'll just explain. So the trigger price should be always below, right? When you're buying, the stop loss should be below. So if I'm buying at 290.85, so in cover order what happens is you cannot put the price here. I'm trying to edit. You cannot put the price here. You cannot do anything with the price. So all you need to do is you need to put the quantity, you need to put the stop loss, and you need to give a buy. Okay, so what happens is it will take in the market. See a market grayed out. You cannot give a limit order. In case of bracket order, you can do a limit. You can buy at a certain price, saying for example I'll buy at 292 only. But in this case, your cover order case, you need to do a market buy only. Okay, So bracket order I'll be explaining in a different video. So now let's only look into cover order. And most of the time if you see in my videos I use cover order. The reason I use cover order is because the moment whenever I see a signal I immediately go buy it rather than waiting for a certain point. Okay, this is a bit risky. I don't suggest this for beginners. Only if you're confident you need to do this. So I buy at that point, and what happens is it will buy about 5 to 10 paisa above or below when we sell it. Okay, so that is a risk over here. You lose that small margin out there, but you will get the price. And while exiting also, you put in a bracket order, you put a target saying this is the target. So in cover order, what I do when I go exit, it will exit exactly just 5 to 10 paisa in the current market order. Okay, so I don't want to wait. I don't want to put a target and wait for that to break. I just want my stocks, my quantity to sell out. So that's the reason I use cover order for a quick moment. So there are other strategies where we say it should buy above this line and sell above that line. Then I will definitely go with bracket order. But in this case, I am going with different strategies. So as soon as the stock goes above that range, it signal looks good, I go buy immediately in a cover order. When I click cover order, it'll be a buy. Currently the power is gone and I'm not able to the Zerodha Kite won't be working. So saying that, so we put a quantity here and 100,000 2,000 whatever quantity it is, and we put cover order, and I always calculate 20 times. So my 10,000 is nothing but 2 lakh rupees. This is how the capital multiplies. And then I trade and I hit that 0.3%. If you hit 0.3%, it's going to be 6% profit on your capital. So that is a trick. Most of the people won't be knowing 0.3%. If you're new here, then go to my old first video. That is where I have explained. I started this channel with that trick. 0.3% is nothing but 3%. That is 10 times margin. In this case, we are getting 20 times. So this is more about cover order. If you have more doubts about cover order, it's very simple, guys. It's just that normally we go give a regular order, bracket order, cover order. In cover order is just that we put a stop loss. We put quantity, we put stop loss, and the price it will buy is market. It's not in your hand. Whatever is the current market price, it will buy at that price. And when you sell, you need to go to the order book, and you should go to the pending ones, and you need to just go give exit. And that also you cannot sell at the defined price. It will sell in the current price. So there will be a small fraction of 5 rupees, 5 to 10 paisa up and below, or 1 rupee up and below, depending on the stock value. And if you're hitting a good target, a good value, then definitely you can do. If you're doing a 0.3 and above, then you have to go with bracket order. And I would suggest this only for day traders, and not for the ones who just started beginning with trading. Do not go with cover order. It's very risky because 20 times is too risky for you guys. So always go with normal order, with the cash, whatever you have, CNC. And for the ones who are experienced, it's up to you how to use this MIS order and use this cover order at 20 times. So this video is just for educational purpose only, just to explain you what is cover order. So simple words, cover order is nothing but put a quantity and put stop loss, and it will buy in market price. Okay, bracket order I'll be explaining in my different video. And this is the trick I have used. I mean, this is the method I have used in all my 12 live trading sessions, where I have calculated 20 times. If you see in my calculations, the main reason is this. Zerodha, this is Zerodha, guys. Zerodha Kite. Here they give 20 times on any stock from Nifty 50 and FNO securities, whichever we choose for the day. And if you have more doubts, go watch my channel and watch all the videos. You'll get an idea. I have explained bracket order, cover order in my previous old videos. So if you get a chance, watch that also. And also watch all the other videos and live trading videos, so you'll get an idea how I keep putting this cover order on every trade, and how I use 20 times, and how I make the profit. So thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and finally hope you guys are happy with the video clarity and audio clarity with this MacBook. So saying that, let me start editing the video. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye. Take care.